on the other computer, so I will check that out. So does it look like I'm set? Oh, I shouldn't have turned off YouTube Studio. Ah. Okay, got that one up. And I went take training. I don't want training. I want to go live. Hey, okay, I'm up over here. Am I up over there? Can I see me on both streams at the same time on here? I don't know, I'm sorry. Test 2 multi-stream and my Ubuntu setup. I think I'm up and running. It says excellent connection. Stream settings. So over here, I'm gonna put it up on the screen if anybody wants to grab it, and how I set up my own personal Comfy UI on a 5090. Okay, so live. Don't seem to be up here on the other stream. So if you're running a 5090, there's not a lot of super support right now, and a colleague tried to help me, but it didn't work for me. So I ended up having to figure out another way, and when I set it up, it crashed straight away. Turns out that 32 gigabytes of RAM is not enough, so you have to increase your swap space on the actual machine that you're on. So maybe on Windows, maybe on Ubuntu. I brought mine up from 8 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes. If I'm live on the other stream, how come I cannot see myself? Let's see if I can turn it off and turn it on again. YouTube Studio. Fun testing with my 5090. Content. I don't need to see analytics. I need to see, this is test 3, right? I think I'm running into a conflict where both of them are not going up at the same time. I don't know what to do. I can't actually tell if I'm up and running. I do apologize. But this is what I'm actually trying to test. Okay, so I've got my Ubuntu set up. So hello everyone. And I think that's running now. Do I have sound coming through? Hey, there we go. Okay, so I've got my Ubuntu set up. So hello everyone. But I think that's running now. Do I have sound coming through? But then now I don't have this one running through. Okay, so I've got my Ubuntu set up. Oh, I got the... So hello everyone. I think that's running now. Do I have sound coming through? So my problem is that I have the same stream key for both of them. So let's stop streaming on the PC over here. let's set up something interesting over here, because that's not interesting. Let's go to Comfy UI. Local host 8188, I think it was. Oh, I had on the here an interesting one that might catch a bit of attention. Videos I made. Can I play all of them? Open with VLC media player. Open. Yeah. Okay. Haha. Can you see that? No, you cannot see that. Move that. Can I just do window capture? Not window capture, but the move. Screen capture. Save. Okay. And since I'm doing screen capture, I can set that up and repeat. Okay. Yeah, so I made the images using High Dream, and you will not be able to reconnect. Okay, your stream will stop and you will no longer be live. I don't know if that is even the case, because I can't click on the multi-stream event. Yes, and that one. Okay, so for everybody on this machine that I'm pointing out right now, I am trying to set up simultaneously on this machine that you cannot see, and you cannot see my face right now, can you? So let's move me up to the top. There we go. And move this down to the bottom. If anybody wants to chime in and let me know what I'm doing. Did I just kill my stream here too? Manage broadcast. Primary YouTube ingest server. Ignore streaming service settings recommendations. Advanced. Yep. Primary YouTube ingest server. Ignore streaming service settings recommendations. So you know that guy Tech Lead? I was watching his stuff earlier. I couldn't help but laugh. But he seems to, like, the way he calls us all plebs and or poor people and stuff like that. It's very insulting. I'm happy he's happy, but he doesn't seem happy. Just happy that he has money, I guess. Maybe that's part of his YouTube streams, just jump on here and insult everybody. And we just enjoy it like some kind of sadistic fools. Video. Stream. The fact that I have two different systems running at the same time is very confusing. I'm not entirely sure what I should have set up over here. Can I go to YouTube Studio on this one and set up a second? Oh, wrong computer. Bluetooth. Wrong choice again. YouTube Studio. If I go to go live, I have a go live over there. So how do I set up a second go live? Can I set up a second go live? Like if I even if I went onto my phone, okay, according to the information I was reading over here, if I go to, what am I looking at? Can you see me when I do this? Yes, okay, so you can't see this stuff, which is fine. Okay, option 1, how to set up thumbnail and meta from Linux. Go to Studio, create Go Live, set up a scheduled stream or start a new one. Upload thumbnail, didn't allow me to do that. Description, visibility, okay, copy the stream key and paste it into OBS. Fine, did that. Now, starting streaming from OBS, it will push that stream and configure the metadata. Fine, did that. If you want to pre-schedule, no. Use stream management tools. Some third-party tools that help control stream details. Okay, make sure. No, I did not understand what I want. What did I just? Oh, did I just end? Okay. I want 2 streams at the same time from 2 different computers. Okay, so that's what I want to do. Okay, 2 YouTube live streams. Either schedule live events with unique stream keys. 2 streams using custom RTMP settings and stream keys. OBS Studio installed and configured on each computer. Okay, solid internet connection. Okay, right. So I have to go live by ending this stream, setting up a schedule on both the computers with 2 different keys and for the 2 OBS streams. Okay, let's go do that. I'll be working on making Audio X work on this, hopefully, so that adds audio to the images that you see. So I wanted the death character there to be able to bang the table and make sound or something like that, whereas I wanted the girl spinning around to just do whatever she was going to do, whatever sound that it suggests for that. I have no idea. They're quite distinct, the 2 different ones, but it was quite cool to get it working. I guess since we're here, I'll just show you how fast it works with HiDream image creation, HiDream dev. So let's go with Santa Claus. I don't know. Fighting the Easter Bunny. Okay, and because we are up on here, I should be able to show you my terminal, loading it at the same time, and I'll put my ugly face over in the corner, and then we'll just click run, and hopefully that'll pop up. So this will just create the image. You should be seeing, oh yeah, see, it does suck up quite a bit of RAM still. I'm going to have to get myself another 32 gigabytes of RAM on my current computer that you're looking at. It takes about 10 minutes to make a video. No, maybe 8 minutes, and I think that's due to hitting a wall. I have the wall of RAM and stuff. You can see here. Let's go ultra realistic and like Tekken. And then we'll just put that into the video generator, and then after that I'll end the stream and I'll set up another scheduled event with the 2 of them working simultaneously. that looks cool. So if I save that image, so images I made, Easter Bunny versus Santa, save that, and then we go into WAN, workflow, browse templates, go to video, WAN, image, there we go, Santa swings sword, cannot read, sword at Easter Bunny. Okay, and we run this. Oh, I need my image, yeah. Got like 5 things in my head at once, it's making me slower. Not that I'm much faster anyway. If you watch my just last live stream, you can see me getting my ass kicked in on a game that I played 5 times. I think this is what happens when you turn 40. So, if I go, I think I should be able to expand this. And performance, apps, no. There we go. So that's what I was looking at. So I'm currently running a video which I'm going to end, even if it is eye-catching. But you can see that my VRAM is not being used at the most right now. So let's swap over to this. And you can see my hard drive is actually being used as much as possible. And my memory is being at 22 gigabytes. When I had my VRAM, when I had my swap size at 8 gigabytes, the computer would crash when it was doing this. So it's loading it into memory here to work with the K sampler, and it's already gotten past the WAN 2.1 model loading, but it's all putting it in here to try and create a 2-second video. So it should actually go a little bit faster after this. But the point at which it's stalling is not, as you can see on the 5090. Oh, there we go. Now the 5090. So and it's coming out of the actual. It's coming out of the hard drive, and at the same time, my memory was still keeping like 9 gigabytes free, which is a bit surprising to me. But yeah. It's running through fairly quickly, so it goes through the K sampler and then VA decode and then there. Okay, so it looks like I can't actually save this video. So this, except for maybe on YouTube where we're looking at it right now. So yeah, the GPU 5090 is running at 99%, so that's 32 gigabytes being sucked up, or 30 memory usage 34. That's good. I didn't know that, but yeah, I totally need, and my actual other drives are being used up quite a bit. So I think OBS Studio is costing me quite a bit as well. So let's just minimize OBS Studio, and we'll get ready to see Santa Claus firing a sword at the Easter Bunny and see if it's any good. And I think that'll be quite a good stream event. There we go. Looks like Santa Claus is just like sharpening his sword off of the Easter Bunny. But still pretty cool to do that all locally and without really focusing on trying to do a good job. Save as? Can I save it? No, it's just a HTML save. Okay. Cancel. Yeah, so I'm going to set up 2 live events. Although I think I have to leave fairly soon, so it might be for tonight, and I'll try and organize having 2 streams going simultaneously and do something interesting with them. I'm thinking about having Sam, a segment analyzing model, working from my camera over here and possibly from over here at the same time, and then seeing if I can do something amazing with that. but there's going to be a few weeks of me learning and manipulating the hardware the way that I want to manipulate it, and also setting up streams. I'd love to actually have the videos being produced and sent up as a live stream in vertical format on YouTube, with the instructions of how to set it all up. But anyway, for now, that's me, and I'll go through in more detail on my next live stream on how to set up the 5090 with the Ubuntu and change the swap size for it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Where am I? I'm so confused, and I will end the stream. See you later.